Hello, kids! Welcome to our fun learning world. Today we are going to start a magical journey to learn the alphabets from A to F with pictures and phonic sounds. Each letter has a name and a sound. We'll say a picture and say the sound together. Ready? Let's begin. A, A. A sounds A. Apple. Apple. Ball. Ball. C sounds K. Cat. D dog. D dog. E egg. E egg. F fish. F fish. Great job, you're doing amazing. Now let's say it a little faster. Well done, little stars. You learned the alphabet's letters and the sounds today. Keep practicing every day.